Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add audio spectrum in Capcut Mobile. So first you have to open your Capcut, make sure this one is the latest version, add a specific picture or video from your gallery, let's just say this one. So to add an audio spectrum, all you have to do is to tap text and then locate stickers that is beside audio captions. And then here you have to look for search stickers and then you have to enter or type audio. Okay, so after you type audio, then you can search and you will see different audio icons right here. So you have to locate this one. So this is what we call the audio spectrum. Click. So it's added now. Click cancel, tap check, and this is what it looks like. So feel free to increase the size of this audio spectrum right here. Now, if you want to match the length of the audio spectrum to the video, you just have to click this audio spectrum below, tap, and then you can increase or you can duplicate if you want. But let me tap this yellow right here, increase, and then I want to match it with the length of the video. You can add effects if you want, in, out, and loop, but basically this is just how you easily add audio spectrum in CapCut Mobile. So you can drag it anywhere and then place it wherever you want. And that's it. Basically, that's how you add audio spectrum in CapCut Mobile. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.